Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write product for non-authorized user in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to write product from Logout user. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open, scroll down you can add title A, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see label text, hide product for non-authorized user. If you want, you can add your text. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top, you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So we are going to hide this product. Now open product. Now go to product and then click on edit product. Now edit product open and scroll down, go to product data. So we are in product data and then you see advanced, so click on it and then you see hide product for non-authorized user. Now back to edit code and then you see label, hide product for non-authorized user. Now back to edit product, so enable this option and then click on update. Now product update done, open product in new tab. Now copy product link and now open. Now you see message, page not found. This page could not be found. So that product only visible for login user and that product hide for logout user. Now open shop page. Now in shop page you don't see ceramic mug product because hide for logout user, only visible for login user. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.